Bichon Buzz. Bichon Buzz. Woohoo! Go, Esme. Come on, Esme. Mommy's home. Oh, look at the puppy. Buzz, Buzz. Buzz, come on, Esme. Buzz, Buzz. Buzz. Hello, Bichon Buzz. Hi. Yeah, I'm gonna edit it.
You had issues.
Esme, come on. Bichon Buzz, come on.
No one wants to see our dog doing this.
You'd be surprised.
People really have no life. Okay, you have no life because you film it. And they have no life because they watch it. Okay, let's stop filming Esme.
Esme, come on, Bichon Buzz. Buzz!
Better not be in this.
You're not.
Good.
I mean, they can hear you, but...
Oh, that's great. That idiotic teenager that are watching this. Well, you have no life because you're watching it.
Shut up.
More of no life because she made it. No.
Bichon Buzz.
This poor dog.
She likes it.
No, she
Bichon
doesn't.
Buzz.
If I filming a person that's drunk and it's always funny at the moment, but then later on they don't like it.
Bichon Buzz. I see her butt.
She won't cuddle me with the wire.
Bichon Buzz.
Are you
Go, 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 go!
Stop it. It's not cool.
Buzz! Okay, Esme. Smile for the camera. Say hi. Say hi, I'm Esme.
You.
Stop chewing your paws, please. Say hi, Esme. Yeah, look at you. You're a Bichon and you like having a buzz. Yeah. Okay, Esme, say goodbye. Say goodbye.
I'll say goodbye.
Shut up.